another video of Animal Company. Well, as we can see, there is a gaping hole over there. And today, me and Kiwi... Hold on. Right. Don't get stuff.
Wait!
We're gonna see if
Hold on. We need to bring defense mechanism. And grapple so you don't get kidnapped.
Alright.
One for you. One for me. Okay, let's go.
Let's go. Alright.
So that looks like the back rooms.
It looks like where the Jeff is.
Office.
Is this the office?
This is the office.
Well, let's go see if there's anything new. Oh. The entrance here now. Wait, what's over here?
Jason, look at the forest.
Right. Who cares about the do not enter signs? It'll probably just be the giant runner.
Well, the trees are black.
They've got darker. Look down here. I can't even move now. There. Can you not move well? Because I can't. No, it's just the giant stuff. Alright, well, we need to check out where the vehicles are.
I keep on getting blocks.
Yeah, it's just probably tweaking because it's a new update and everything's a bit broken. Like, just grapple.
Jason? Could you revive me, please?
Kian,
Wait, yeah, let's go.
let's go up here. We need to see it. Wait, imagine if it might actually... It will definitely fly.
It's like a nuke.
Wait, it's like a nuke. Wait, hold on, I'm trying to like get up. See guys, I'm a bit bad at this game.
Look at
Oh
this.
my.
But Jason, get in. I'm gonna press the big red button.
Alright, come on, we're going up. Come on.
Yep.
Oh no, Kian. Oh my.
Eardrums.
Ow.
My eardrums.
Where we are?
Oh wait.
Oh my.
It's low gravity.
It's low gravity mode. Oh, wait, there's the vehicles.
Wait, there's a shop. What?
Wait, oh, it's just like an extra shop up here. Yo, Kian, there's a half-life.
Jason.
Yeah, can I hop on the back? Can I hop on the back? Oh my. No! How do I drive? How do I drive? Kian, no! I need to drive. Bye.
I can grab on the back. Whoa.
Well, I can't. It's not moving. It's in the winch. Oh. Huh? Oh, I didn't see anything. What? Wait, is this a green screen? Yo, it's a green screen for my videos. I'll be like, yeah, but scared. Okay, no. Anyways.
Pop through the TV.
Maybe this is very weird. Oh, what was that? Whoa. Oh, this is a bit cool. Alright. Where's Kiwi? Yeah. Where you are? Peace out.
Animal Company, if you start watching this, add an underwater map. Please. I never meant to pull that out.
You're threatening them.